Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Out of this 164, picking up a couple of parts. Now, if you want the clock out of this 164, this piece here just pressed in. It's pull it out, plastic piece. Try not to break it. Then you got 2 screws to get the clock out. Pull the 2 screws out, and the clock comes out with some wiring. I always recommend that you take as much wiring as you can, at least an inch or 2. I'm not sure what this post is for. It doesn't have a connection on it, but I'm going to cut these wires about 6 inches back. Take it with the clock. Well, I pulled the wiring on the clock and it went behind the instrument cluster. Came out with some light bulbs, so I'm just going to keep all of that. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.